Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G NE, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So first you should go to the settings, and right now scroll down to the additional settings section. Go here and you'll see the button shortcuts. Tap on the button shortcuts, and now we can see that you can launch the camera by double press to the power button, with a long press the home button, for example to the press on the power button and home button. And now for example we can just check that. As can you see, our camera is activated, so we'll go back. Now we can for example turn on this function. Also we can launch the Google Assistant with the long press on the home button, or for example to the power button and menu. Okay, we'll check that, and as can you see, our Google Assistant is activated right now, so just turn on this function. Now for example you can see that we can, with a long press for our home button and with the menu button, turn on our screen. Oh sorry, that's menu button. As can you see, our screen is blocked now. Also we can switch that to now. For example, we can just turn on the torch with the power button and with the back power button. As can you see, our flashlight is activated. So we got a lot of functions here, you can see that. Also you can just here tap to the switch or to the press and hold the power button. And for example, if you will activate it, just press to the power button for a while, and you can see that your Google Assistant is activated. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.